Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the process of finishing a DIY project for Christmas holidays. It's one of several that I'm making for Christmas. This is a centerpiece that I'm going to use on my dining room table or either my breakfast table. But I made the centerpiece today and I'm going to walk you through the steps. I want you to see how I made the centerpiece from the beginning to the end. But I have it sitting here with me now, and I just want to show you maybe a little glimpse of it, just so you can see what it looks like. But I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the entire step-by-step process I went through to make this and then finish it and let you see the finished product. Guys, I am going to, I'm making a centerpiece for my Christmas table in the dining room, and I'm going to show you step by step of how I made it. This is the first part is, and I have a tray underneath, and I'm on a lazy Susan so I can move around really easy with it like that. So that's the first thing. So I want to make sure I don't take this out of place. Okay, and here's some foam, styrofoam, and I'm going to glue 2 pieces of styrofoam together, and I'm going to put it on here. That's the first thing I'm going to do. This glue is pretty sturdy, so it should last pretty much throughout the process and not come loose. Hold it down for a minute until it sticks to the tray. Okay. And the next step is to take my ribbon, and I'm using this silver ribbon, and I'm going to fold it in half here to make the ends. You pinch it on each side, and then you tuck it with some of the greenery to keep it in place. to look full, so I guess I'm putting a lot of the, I'm putting it out pretty far out there. A little bit in here and fold that in. And on this end here, I'm going to fold this to make my ends. These are really big here. That one is small on purpose. And I got all of these. Make sure that these are glued down. They feel glued down, but for some reason, like they need a little more glue. Okay, and next, the colors that I'm using. I think I'm going to put some Christmas tree ribbons in it. I'm going to use this color, which is silver. I'm sorry, it's gold. I'm using gold and I'm using silver. And here, guys, I'm using this ribbon to make some bows. And I'm going to put 4 bows on the centerpiece in this Christmas gold and cream color ribbon. Here, guys, after you make the bow, you use some wires to make it stay together in the center, and it also attaches to your wreath on your centerpiece. And make sure that you make your edges on both sides, and let one be inside the decoration of the wreath and one on the outside. And this is the wire that I use to connect the centerpieces. I'm going to connect this bow to the centerpiece by connecting it to one end. And I'm going to make 4 bows. Usually you make triangles of bows, but I wanted a little bit more full with bows because I didn't have a lot of different decorations. So I decided to put 4 bows on there instead of 3. But if you usually see it, a centerpiece has triangular shape with 3 bows on the whole centerpiece. But mine is a little different this time. And here, guys, I added a little floral decoration in between each of the bows, inside of each side of the bows, and to give it a little fullness. And then I'm going to use these poinsettias to finish it off with. And they are white, and the floral is cream and like beige color, just to give it a little more of a color inside with the gold and the silver. And then I have these white poinsettias and a little bit of cream color in it. And here, guys, I cut a little trench around in the styrofoam circular, right the size of this glass lantern, and I cut it to deepen it so that I could just push the lantern down so it could be more stable into the decoration. And I didn't do that on camera, but I did. There's one other thing. I put a candle in here, and these are the little battery operated candles. But as you can see here, I changed it out to a taller white candle because the other one was a little too yellow for the decoration. So as you see now, it's a white one, and it's taller. But it does come out a little yellow on camera when I turn it on. Okay guys, here's the first of my Christmas centerpiece decorations for my dining room table. And I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If so, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment. Let me hear from you. I'd love to hear from you. And may God bless you and may God keep you. This is my prayer.